What's going on there, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Project Flip. This is going to be a real short video because I'm doing this right before I go to work here. So a lot of you have been asking which relays did I wire this switch up to. This is for the fans to come on when you turn the accessory on. This is for your fans to run as a constant. Okay, I'm doing this quick. I'm not going to pull my relays out to show you which pin is what. Okay, this is fairly simple. Okay, this is R15. Okay, number 2. You can see right here the pin all the way closest to the top. Okay, on this side here, the pin all the way closest to the top. That's the pin you're going to want to put it in. Okay, that is your switch. Okay, so that is your 12-volt switch. That is what's going to turn it on when you turn your key to accessory. It's not a 12-volt constant. A 12-volt constant means that when you turn your car off, your fans are going to keep running. This is a 12-volt switch. Okay, so when you turn your car to accessory on the ignition, and you turn it to accessory, that's when your fans will come on. Okay, I chose this over here, R1. I don't even know what the fuck that is, honestly, and don't really care right now. Okay, I'm just answering your guys' questions. Okay, I don't even have my multimeter here. On the same side, honestly, the same pin, on the same side, the same pin, furthest one, all the way over, all the way to the top. You can see in that very corner, the same pin, all the way in the corner. Okay, that is a ground pin. There is no voltage in that pin when the car is on or off. So that is a ground, people. Okay? You can take this, you can ground it to a bolt, you can ground it to your battery. I try to stay clear of the battery. I don't like to hook anything to my battery. Okay? So if you want to take this ground, you want to hook it to a bolt, a different type of ground on your system here, that is perfectly fine. All that is it is a ground on this relay. That's it. That's all I did. This is your switch for your fan. Okay, these are both your fan relays. This is actually your low speed fan, believe it or not, and your high speed fan. But this is going to override the system. That's it. So I'm not pulling this out because I have a few minutes before I need to go clock in, guys. I just wanted to answer your questions so I can have this ready and upload this to help you guys out. A lot of you guys are asking me about this. Sorry if I wasn't clear in my last video, but I'm showing you guys this now. So the pin closest to the top, okay, on the left side of R15. Once again, it says the number 2 right here, R15 relay. Pin closest to the top on that side. Go ahead and put that, that's your switch, 12-volt switch. You can use this relay up here, or you can just ground it to a bolt. That'll act as your constant. Okay? Thanks again, guys.